Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Basraj sir. My name is Basraj. I request you to like my video and share it with your friends. I also like you to become subscribers to my channel and press the bell button. Okay, let's. Today's topic is either or. Either or. We use either or in an unavoidable choice between the alternatives. For example, what do you want? Either coffee or tea? Either you come or not, I will go to the party. I want to buy a new dress. Uh, I want to buy a new dress or a new coat. I want to buy either a new dress or a new coat. We can either go to the movies or stay at home. You can either call me at home or at the office. We use either or to present two mutually exclusive options. It is used to express a choice between the two alternatives. Let's see some more examples. You can have either the red saree or the blue one. The flower was either white or pink. It is either black or grey. Either I drive to the airport or to get a taxi. Either you leave or I will phone the police. The capital was either Delhi or Devagiri. His birthplace was either Kochi or Trivandrum. Either you can buy a car or a bike for transportation. He won either coffee or ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.